Well, I finally got my TMW doors installed. I ordered them from a TMW in Arizona and they shipped them out. They're all metal and they're really nice. They're fully framed. You can't really see it with the light, but the tubing goes all the way around the edge. It doesn't make any noise, no rattling or anything. I'm really happy with them. I got some new seats on order for the front, some PRP seats. These aren't very comfortable compared to the PRPs. You can see there the TMW, that's the door pouch. This part right here is the pad, and then here you can store things. But they're really nice seats. I mean, doors. You had to put this bracket on to use their doors. And I have my Madigan roll cage, which is pretty nice, better than that one it came with, that Pro Armor. The rear door opens from the rear instead of the front like it used to. You used stock door latches, and the stock rear door has like a piece that comes here separate, and the door hinges to it to open it from the front, so that gets eliminated. And I got a new Madigan rear tire carrier. It hinges up and it's got these gas struts, but I haven't hooked up yet to lift it up so you can get to the cargo area. And I got a 30-inch tire on there. I got to move my air filter because it hits when I lifted it, so that's got to be moved. But I'm really happy with this roll cage. It's really nice. Got a black top on it. I had it powder coated in Havasu red, and I also put on some high clearance rear radius arms by Super ATV, and I got them in red also to match. And it's really sweet. This spare tire carrier is really well built too. It's really nice. Yeah, I'm super happy with it. The windshield doesn't really fit this cage. It's made for a stock cage, but I'll use it. It's a scratch resistant plexiglass stuff. So yeah, when we go out to the trail riding or something's gonna be fun on it. Looks pretty cool. I was gonna put some graphics on the car, but decided not to. I'm gonna leave it bare. It had red graphics on the sides here, the hood, along the side and the back. I took a hair dryer and heated them up and pulled them all off, and I'm gonna leave it bare. I think it looks better. So yeah, when we go out, have some fun, take the grandkids in the back, and I had a problem. We had too many people going out, and my daughter goes with my son-in-law, of course, and he drives really fast in his RZR. My daughter doesn't really like it. She keeps telling him to slow down, but he doesn't. So it's not too enjoyable for her. So what I did, I went to the dealer and I bought a two-seater. And this is my new RZR XP-1000 two-seater. And I haven't even driven it yet. All I've driven is from the driveway up to the garage. It doesn't have any miles on it yet. I had it 2 weeks. It's the same color as this one, this is a 2019. My four-seater is 2018. So this one, the graphics is a little bit different, even though it's called Black Pearl. But it's pretty cool. I bought a soft top for it, and I had this rear tire carrier for the four-seater for Pro Armor, which I was going to sell. Then I decided, hey, let's put it on this one. And it's got a rear windshield. I had it, and it didn't fit my Pro Armor cage on my other four-seater, so I gave it to my son-in-law, and he had it for a few months, and he used it once and didn't like it. So I asked him if he still had it, and he said yeah, so he brought it over, and I stuck it on real quick. So it's pretty cool. I gotta get a windshield for this one too. But the dash on this one's a little bit different. It's got it over the steering wheel, the speedometers and all that. Well, on the 2018, it doesn't have it like that. It's in the middle, and it's just an analog one. And this one has a lot more storage space. It's got a glove compartment down there on the top. It's got one in the middle. Everywhere. It's got a lot more buttons, spaces for toggle switches. So yeah, this one's pretty cool. This one would be good for taking out to quartzsite or on trails. You know, tight trails. You can go in and out of the, make sharp turns. Because I was out there with my 4-seater and I had to do a couple 3-point turns to get around some of these washes. Because you know, you're in a deep wash and you have to follow it and you can't get out of it. And some of them were like 90-degree turns and it's hard for the 4-seaters to get through them. But this one's pretty cool. I like this. One should be a lot easier to get through those trails. I got rid of those stock doors for this one, and I got the full doors, and this one came with stock doors with no bottoms, just open, and all the dirt comes in here. So luckily I didn't get rid of these. These are the lowers that were on the 4-seater, and even though I don't really care for these, they'll do for now. They can go in here and they can cover up the opening. Hopefully they won't make too much noise. That's why I didn't like them. They rattled a lot. But they'll do until I can get some full doors for this one. But yeah, the grandkids like it too. When we go out with friends or my daughter, they can, some of the friends that can use the 4-seater if they have kids, and I'll take the 2-seater with my grandson, or my daughter can use it, whatever. But yeah, that's about all the room I can afford. Fit in here, I mean. And of course I had to buy another trailer. I got real lucky. This trailer I bought from the guy who builds them, the company, and it took him 2-3 weeks to build it, and he powder coated it red. I happened to find one on Facebook Marketplace. Same trailer, same company for $1,000 used. The only difference was this is a newer one and he used wood all the way across. And on the other one, he before he used just wood in the middle and metal on the ends to save money. Here, I'll take a quick picture of it. And this is it right here. It's black. The exact same company made it, same dimensions too. So when I put my 2-seater on this one, I'll have room to put my bicycle and stuff on the back, because on the 4-seater it goes right back to the ramps, so you can't put nothing else on it. So that'll make it a little bit more handy. But yeah, that's it. That's my new addition to the garage. It's pretty cool. Can't wait to actually ride it or drive it, see what it's like.